guys, today I have an unbagging from Everydayecrafts. So let's get into it. While I'm opening this up, if you're new here and you like diamond painting, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on an almost daily basis. I started this new thing where I like to open the packages diagonally and make a mess of them. So that's what I'm doing with my deli machete. We can put this away for now. Okay, so we have a little, what's in here? A little treat, some storage containers, a diamond painting box, and we have, what is this? It's like long and it's bent sideways. That's what she said. So these were sent to me for review from Everydayecrafts. Let's open up. I'll show you the storage first since it is here. So this storage holds 28 colors. And they are 4 grids by 7 grids. And as you can see, they pop out in 4s. And all you do is basically, you can open them up like that. You can open them one at a time. I really like this storage. They hold a decent, not a lot of drills, but a decent amount. So that's handy. Thank you very much, Everydayecrafts. Put that aside. Now let's take a look at this storage container. We have a basic toolkit. We have our drills. And here is a diamond painting jewelry box. Let me just stand up to show you properly. So it's a little jewelry box. You diamond paint the top part. Look how cute it is inside. There's little slots here for different things. Like this could be for rings. This could be for pendants or rings or whatever. A little area here for some goodies. More space here. I like this separated area too. You can put whatever. I'll probably put my earrings here, rings. I don't know what to hang from here. Maybe necklaces, and then secrets. I'll put all my secrets in here. You know, I have so many secrets. So this is really cute. It's pretty. It feels very durable. It's like that fake leathery material. And all you do is diamond paint this area on top. The drill field looks clear. We'll take a look at the drills now. So we have, let's see. I really like looking at special drills, which is why I'm going to show you these. Ooh, okay, I already see ones that I really like. So here's some blue ABs, some teardrops, red teardrops, orangey teardrops, silver teardrops, pink teardrops, some marquee drills, and these are the ones I really like. Look how pretty these little flowers are. That's adorable. These are going to look really cute. Yeah, those are the drills. I'm happy with this little kit. I think this would make like a really good kit for maybe younger people, younger children, or I don't know, tweens to do. And then they can put their jewelry in it. It would make a really cool gift as well. So yeah, I'm happy with this. This is really sweet. Now let's open up this small one because I don't remember what I chose. Well, be ruthless. Ah, okay. What's in here? Oh, okay, so this is I was like, what is this? I need to try this. So this is a little fidget spinner type thing. And basically you just go like this. That's kind of neat. Like you diamond paint this area. The back is just clear, like plain. and you diamond paint this top area, it's kind of sticky. The sides here are kind of sticky, so there must be glue on the sides, but it's really cute. And it's just like a fidget spinner pretty much. Okay, I'm silly. I really wanted that one though. Don't judge me, guys. Okay, you've already judged me. That's fine. We'll take a look at the drills for these because it is a special diamond painting. Where is the opening to these drills? That is the real question. Is it here? Yes. Okay. So here we have some orange, blue, pink, reddish, yellow, green, silver, and some reds. Yeah, this should be a really quick little project. It's really neat. I like it. Even though kids are all about poppets these days, I was like, I'm gonna kick it old school and get a fidget spinner. A diamond painted fidget spinner. Spin my fidgets! Spinning my fidget! Yeah, okay, I'll be quiet now. So let's move this stuff aside. Over here on my desk. And now let's open up this weird one. So, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like curved here. It's like a long, skinny, hard. It's hard. Like you poke it and it's hard. There must be something inside of it, like a dowel or something. Let's open up and see what the long, skinny, hard thing is in here. And it's a bit crooked too. What is it? Okay. I'm confused. Is that a diamond painting? It must be a diamond painting. Oh, it's a paint by number. I forgot I chose a paint by number. That's why I was like so confused. What is this long, skinny, crooked thing? I've never seen anything like it before. So this is the Canadian Rockies. I feel like I might have even been here before. So I wanted to try paint by numbers because y'all keep talking about paint by numbers. I want to paint by numbers. So I got a paint by numbers of my Canadian lifestyle. So it comes with brushes and two things it looks like to hold the painting up or something. There's 3 brushes, skinny, and a big one. Here's the paint. Oh no, where do these come from? These must have fallen out of somewhere. I don't know, I'll figure it out. So there's those. This is the paint, so it's all numbered. Paint by numbers, the paint is numbered. And then let's open this up. And this is the paint by number. What's this? Okay. Instructions. Kind of smells. It smells like chemicals. So here we have, oh, there is a foam rod inside of it. That's probably what was making it hard. So here's our paint by number. So this is the reflection, I believe. Oh no, is it upside down? No. This is the reflection. And then here's the tree line here. Cool. I mean, I thought I got a beginner-friendly one, but this looks very detailed. In paint by number, do they use the term confetti? Because I feel like there's lots of confetti areas. This is like a nice canvasy material, so you can feel like an artist. You can feel like a painter. I like it. It's kind of neat. I'll definitely try this out. Would you guys be interested in seeing a video of me trying out paint by numbers? Let me know in the comments down below. So this is my haul from Everydayecrafts. Again, I didn't buy these. They sent them to me for review on my channel. Thank you so much for sending me these. I really appreciate it. What are your guys' thoughts? What's your favorite project from this haul, let me know down in the comments down below. And if you're new here and you like diamond painting videos, gently caress the subscribe button. It should be over here somewhere. Gently just rub the subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond painting on an almost daily basis. Until then, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!